Okay, so there was just a big crack of thunder and Chaos is like freaking out. So we're gonna go see right here. See, that's Miley. That's Chaos. And he's like, what the heck? What was that noise? Don't mess with me on the stairs, dude, because I don't like the stairs. I also don't like the big thunder noises. Go back a little bit. Hey, can you not let him, give him some space? Are you okay there, Mr. Bubs? Yeah, and it's that time of the day where the dogs are getting antsy because it's, really raining outside and now there's thunder. I think Chaos is trying to look for the thunder. I think it just makes him nervous. You can see here, it's been like this all day. Just rain and now there's thunder. It makes the dogs antsy and upset. Hey, Chaos, do you want a snacky? Would that make you feel better? See, here's our snack corner. Chaos, sit. Sit. He's like, nope, I am too unnerved to sit. Chaos. Chaos, want a snacky? I'll give you a free snacky. That may help you feel better. Here's Miss Miley. Give her a free snacky too. Here's a free snacky. Miley, can you show everybody how you give a good high five? Use just a good high five. You're so sweet. You're such a good high five. High five? Yeah. Okay. You okay, Mr. Bubs? Huh? You're such a sweet boy. You're such a sweet boy. Can you sit? Can you sit? Oh, that a boy. Can you give me a high five? High five. No, don't. High five. Come on. There you go. High five. Snacky. That's my Bubs. He's a sweet boy. And Miss Miley. Miss Miley. She's a smack. There's a good girl. Here you go. Here's a snack. I know. They're getting bored and antsy and there's nothing really we can do outside for them because it's raining.